Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com, and today we're going to be checking out this GE Electric Range 8-inch element. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. You will need a multimeter for component testing. Now, the main reason why you would need to check out this element is if the element is not heating up. The first thing I would do is a visual inspection. Since it is a single coil, just follow that coil around to make sure that there's no breaks in it. If there is a break or a smolder mark, it will need to be replaced. Now, if you do not see a break, the next thing you'll want to do is check it for continuity. There's two different sides to this block. We're going to set on the side that has the terminals for the element. So you have one going directly to the coil, the other that goes through this block. We will set our meter to ohms. I'm going to put it on audible tone and let's check it out and see what it's reading. So this is reading 28 ohms. That's good. That's telling me the electricity can pass through that coil heater. The next thing I would do if it's not turning on is it actually has a safety switch in here. Now this is a normally open switch, so if we test it for continuity, it should not have any. Now let's go ahead and put our meter to it and see how it tests. No continuity. This is good. If it was closed and you do have a reading, once again, it will need to be replaced. It's not that hard of a replacement, but if you feel uncomfortable, make sure you call a certified technician, and this will wrap up the segment on this 8-inch element. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.